street rod here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1946 Ford Tudor sedan. 305 small block Chevy underneath the hood that's paired up with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. Nicely equipped with power brakes, power steering. You can see black with the flame paint job, old school look. Silver line polished aluminum wheels. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bumper in the front. Chrome looking good. Headlight surrounds. Painted to match grille. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the still pics. You'll be able to see it from every angle. Undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk area. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Nothing too crazy over the top of that flame job. Just some nice pinstriped flames on there. Classy look. Red interior. Bucket seats. We'll get around to the driver's side. I'm going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a little closer peek at the interior. First, let's take a peek down this passenger side. Also want to let you know that the side glass, side windows are tinted. So know your local and state laws. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures, but there you can see it in that rear window. So they are tinted. Know what percentage you can have on there. There's the bucket seats, very soft. Kind of like an ultra leather almost. Center console. Tilt and telescopic wheel. Like I said, we'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer. First, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Sorry about the noise in the background there. Detail department is working on getting another car clean for us so we can get it pictured up and the video done and online. Take a look at the rear chrome and the bumper, dual exhaust of course. And you can see paint has a nice shine to it with the reflection. See all the way across the back of our detail center here. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. This does have a newer rack and pinion steering in it, also water pump and fuel pump are newer. Previous owner and tech did note that some of the gauges are not the most accurate, let's put it that way, oil and temp gauge. Mustang 2 front end, Nova rear end. There's also a folder of miscellaneous receipts that are going to go with this car. Now, if you're into street rods, maybe just like mid-40s Fords or Chevys for that matter, whatever it may be, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Something a little different every day. Videos are uploaded daily, speaking of which, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or off our showroom floor. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. Door handles have not been shaved. Door panel looking good, armrest. Nice little storage compartment also added down here. You can see nice bucket seats. A little bit of wear on the piping right there. Seat belts intact, front and rear. That center console goes all the way to the rear. Is a tilt column with telescopic steering wheel also. See that gauge cluster. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. I also noticed we do have an air control down here. So it looks like it has like adjustable rear suspension. Maybe firm it up a little bit depending on what you have for passengers. See how that works. Custom stereo install. One switch is for the lights, one is for the blower fan, one's for the wipers as far as these pull-out knobs. This is for the power glove box. Neat little things on it. Working map light or dome light up here. How about the rest of that headliner? Looking good? Sure does. Door closes nicely. Let's take a listen. Trunk release is a yellow button just down to the left of the steering column. You can see that. There you go. Right there is the trunk release button. Forgot to mention that. And let me go ahead and get this hood popped so we can check out this engine bay. Remember, stick around to the very end of this video. We'll take this car for a drive. Jason's going to take it out, show you how it goes down the road. Look at the underside of the hood. There it is, so 4-barrel, sitting on that small block Sedan 305. Power steering, power brakes. Nothing crazy over the top for exhaust, anything like that. Just an old school hot rod look. 1946 Ford Tudor Sedan, street ratted out. Plain paint job. Centerline wheels. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1946 Ford Tudor. This with that sloping back end on it looks really good. Hand-painted looking pinstripe flames on the hood and fenders. And the bright red interior is a great street rod look. Smooth running, it stays idling right away when you get her started. Speedometer working very accurately. The volts are showing over 14. Oil pressure is around 20 to 30. And the fuel gauge is reading half a tank. Lots of room in this car. Very soft. I would say probably like an imitation of leather seats, but very soft. Better, in my opinion, than real leather. Bucket seats up front. A bench in the back with a fold down armrest. Lots of legroom, very comfortable. Custom molded center console for cup holders. Power. There is a cigarette power outlet in the back for the rear passengers. Kenwood stereo mounted in that center console and speakers that do say Clarion. Later model steering wheel, as you can see. Very smooth ride from this car. B&M shifter, automatic on the floor, so it is easy to drive. You get a lot of looks in this great looking street rod. Check it out at UniqueClassicCars.com.